Di ba may rated? Rated X. Sa kanya, rated. X. NX. NX na. Okay, 3. Ang masama makakapay. Okay, good evening po, basketball fans. Good morning po sa inyo po. This is now the second game for tonight between Cardinals and DJ Gianna. This is your
Let's get ready to rumble. Giannis versus Cardinals.
Okay, Giannis Gomez versus Cardinals for the second game action. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. First part of action, Ibarra, may tangan ng bola to Maninang, nawala ang bola ni Maninang, and same ball ulit tayo. Same ball. Green ball, and green. Ibarra driving. No. Masaki. No good. And Perez to Duran, number 1. Duran. Jesus. Foul. Master King. Foul. Master King. First foul. Number 91. Master King. De Leon shooting for 2, and this play is brought to you by, of course, wala. By Imprenta Advertising, we turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprenta Advertising. Second throw, jumpers ready. De Leon, second throw. Wala! And wala pa rin, tabla. Ibarra. Yagin. Ibarra. Maninang. 2 points Maninang. Brian Hoy, De Leon, 2 points De Leon. Patoy Tadul is watching already. Dark Kerich Kaisa is watching. And Carl Michael is watching also. Yagin for 3. No. Brian Hoy for the rebound. Giannis Gomez. Perez, power move ni Perez. De Leon, sinubo na ang bola. Pasok. Ibarra, Maninang. Ibarra, side step move to Yagin. Yagin for 3, no. Rebound King. Maninang to Master King ulit. Master King, no. Ito Ibarra driving, Master King, tapos. Good ball, Dom. Ibarra for 3. Ito, binabayaran kay Ibarra ang 3 points niyang matindi. And last touch by Perez. Yan ang binabayaran kay Ibarra ang kanyang 3 points. Master niyang clutch 3-point shot na maraming beses. Maninang to Ibarra muli, no, it's driving, side step move, aray. Guerreros, Duran number 1, malakas. Foul ni Yagin called for the foul. Frank Uy. Same ball. Bereros for 3. Malakas. De Leon, Talpal. Duran number 1. Duran number 1. Nice shot by Duran number 1. Domdom. Yagan for 3. Bang! Nice shot by Yagin. To Duran number 1. Duran number 1. Pops up, Talpal. Perez. Offensive foul, Perez. Perez. To Yagin. To Ibarra. Manina binipit ang bola. Foul. Take 2.
From the prime player of the Leon. First personal foul, second team foul. Yes.
First throw ni Manina ang pasok. And that free is brought to you by Avens Travels and Tours. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok pareho. The score right is 10-6. Apat po lang kalamangan po ng Cardinals team. And Brian Roy pops up. Nope! Malakas ang pasa. Cardinals ball. Wag muna raw. Sabi daw. Ibarra. Yagin. For 3. Yagin. Wala. Bereros pag-riba. Bereros King. Nope. Masatin na rebound. Branoy, nakuha ang bola. Branoy. Wala pa rin. Perez. 2 points Perez. Ibarra versus Duran. Ibarra pops up, nope. Domdom. Turnaround shot. Labas. Domdom ulit. 2 points Domdom. 12-8 pong score po natin. 5 minutes. Change period po tayo. Okay, si Mandap and Company versus sino? Second channel. Ayan. Ramos and Company. Mercader and Company also. Janas Gourmet trailing by 4 points. 12-8. Cardinals leading by 4 points. Number 25. Mercader driving, pops up. Nilabas ang bola. Rebound, Digalay. Repolio. Mercader. Lantaka. Malakas ang bola. One more time. Lantaka. Wala pa rin. Foul. Same ball. Number 9. Okay. Green ball. The green men. Banawag. Number 9 si Repolio. Mandap. Palakas ang pasa. Lantaka. Ramos to Mercader for 3. No. Rebound, Repolio against Ramos.
There's a foul. Number 7, Ramos.
Ramos called for the foul. Repolyo for the inbound.
Timeout. Jonas.
Timeout, Jonas Gumitio. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Would like to thank the following major sponsors. AC Kitchen, Maya's Kitchen, and many more. Balik po sa laro. Okay, Mandap for the inbound. Mandap to Repolyo. Panawag, Kapos, rebound, number 23. Panawag, nakuha yung bola. Campo, wala. Galay, no. Mamatay. Nakuha ni Ramos ang bola. Ramos, foul! Mandam. One more penalty. Cardinals. Ramos shooting for 2. Nope. This sprint is brought to you by AFJ Engineering. Ramos. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Mercader. Nakuha yung bola. Foul! Foul number 17. Penalty situation. Cardinals.
Foul number 17, Galay. Penalty time.
Galay, full court for the foul. Mercader shooting for 2. And this free throw is brought to you by the following sponsors. Jonas Gumitio. Available po in 2 flavors, Team Spicy, Team Normal. Mamili po kayo. Jonas Gumitio. Second throw, Mercader. Pasok. 12-10, 12-10. 3 minutes, 15 seconds remaining. Repolyo. Driving. Wala. Ramos ang rebound. Nakuha ni Repolyo bola. Repolyo. Napre, nakuha ni Santana ang bola. Touch. Lantaka. Mercader. Pasok ang bola. 2 points Mercader. Tabla. Mandap for 3. Bang! 3 points Mandap for 3. Mercader. Lantaka. Nice shot, Mercader. Nope. Foul. Take 2.
Foul, first number 9, Repolyo. First number 1, penalty, Cardinals.
This free is brought to you by Bay Jones Apparel. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok. Pareho. Manda for 3. No. 2 points Mercader. Repolyo.
Repolyo, Manawag, Nagbakay, Manawag, malakas, nakuha ni Repolyo, wala, foul. Take 2. Number 6, Santana, goal for the foul. This free is brought to you by Coach Mike Movement. Repolyo, first shot, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Repolyo. Wala, ayun, naka-rebound. Campo, pasok ang bola. 2 points, Campo. 18-16. Ramos, Mercader. 2 points, Mercader. Tabla. 1 minute, 7 seconds remaining. Tabla. Banawag. Binabantayan. Nakawan. Still completed. And foul. Traveling violation rather. Nice D.
25 seconds.
Nice D. Tabla tayo. Repolyo driving. Repolyo muli. And Johnny. Running shot malakas. Outs po foul. Take 2. Hands po foul para Kamandam. These free throws is brought to you by Trigas Barbershop, the 100% owned, Filipino-owned barbershop para sa Qatar, 100% Pinoy para sa Pinoy. Trigas Barbershop. Mercader, first 2, pasok. Second jout, second throw. Second throw, jump. Second throw. Wala. And plus ball possession.
41 seconds. Santana to
Mercader. Mercader, for 3, pasok ang bola. 18-22. Repolyo, Ibarra, pumalo ng 3. Pasok mo naman. Lantaka, 2 points Lantaka. Foul. First quarter pa lang. Penalty situation. Galay shooting for 2. And this free throw is brought to you by Plus International Trading. Plus International Trading. This free throw is brought by Plus International Trading. Galay, basket made.
22-24. 11 seconds.
Galay, second shot. Pasok pareho.
10 seconds.
Nice shot by Lantaka. Okay, that's it. After first quarter, laman po ng 3 ang Giannis Gumentio. Wag naman. Wag talaga. Scott, di ka pupunta ron? Sige. Greg De La Cruz natin yun.
Back to the table.
Okay, back to the ball game po. This time around, Greg De La Cruz for the inbound. Number 20. Batikin. Perez. De La Cruz. Pops up. Nope. Rebound di Batikin. Batikin for 3. Wala pa rin. Perez. 2 points Perez. Tora Perez. Maninang touch slash by Bereros. Ibarra driving. Ayun. Malakas ang pasa. Dong. Nice hit! 26-28. Bereros driving, nakuha ni Domdom ang bola. Foul number 3, Bereros.
First personal foul, first team foul. Giants.
Domdom versus Duran number 2. Yagin. Nope. Domdom naka-rebound. Branoy. Nope. Nice one by Sinamasa. 67-71. Laman ng 4. 1 minute 44 seconds remaining. Galay driving.
Number 23, foul.
Foul number 23.
Pasok.
Campo shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by Aqua Plus Qatar. Available for in all kind of shape and sizes. To visit their FB page for details and also call the numbers 7781-153-313. Okay. Last shot, Campo. Wala. Rebound. Ligalay. Wala naman. Bereros. Foul.
Wilkins penalty. Foul, Jeff Campbell. Second personal foul, penalty.
Bereros shooting for 2. This sprint is brought to you by Imprint Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. Bereros number 3. Wala. Bereros second throw, jumpers ready. Ay, dumadama na tayo.
Second throw, Bereros.
Pasok! 67-72, 5 lang po ang kalamangan ng Giannis Gametiro.
Pasok lang.
Umali. Ibarra for 3. No!
Johnny Banawag. Maninang. Wala. Berkader. Wow! Wala, malayo. Foul number 21, Ibarra. Berero shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, AFJ Engineering. AFJ Engineering. Wala pang FB page ng AFJ Engineering? Oh, wala bang email o man lang? Okay, made. The score is 67-70 at 52 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Ibarra against Uy. Galay driving. And no good. Okay lang. Doming Barako. Kapeng Barako. May icon tayo? Sige. Joros ha? Basket made. Berkader. Versus Ibarra. Bereros. Ibarra, Bereros against Banawag. Berkader. No. Serion. Wala. Sapren. Serion. Malalim. Rebound. Galay. Banawag. Wala. One more time. Galay. Power move. No more. Pati ito pala. Oh.
Hindi kasi kami sinend ako sa inyo. Sinend ko sa inyo
Paano lang isasarad ko muna sa ito? Babalik ko muna sa ito? Hindi pag ano, di mag-print pa kayo, di ba?
Mag-print ako ng same size.
Sige.
Pero for the meantime yun.
Sige. Yung, maganda na siya, ayos ko.
Pero po akong pre-refer na same size nila.
Square na. Ay, maganda yun, square.
Para ito na lang.
Oh. Ayos. Sakit. Okay, ito na. Entering na the final quarter.
This is the final quarter.
Ito na po tayo mga kababayan. Final quarter po tayo yun. Final quarter action. Janice Gumaytio inbounding. Berkader. Bereros. RD1. Berkader. Pops up. No. Foul. Who's foul ref? Maninang called for the foul. Third personal foul. First team foul. Para sa Cardinals basketball team. Berkader. Bereros, Berkader. Driving. Wow! Not touch. No touch, sabi ng ref. No touch. Cardinals ball. Green ball. The green men. Foul! Lanta ka.
Number 25 lang tayo, call for the foul. Yagin, inbounding sa side throw. Repolyo. Ibarra, no good. Rebound ni Bereros. Bereros sa rebound. Bereros binabatan ni Ibarra. Nagtaka pagta, short stop, pasok. 2 points nagtaka. Cardinals trailing behind by 7 points, 8 minutes remaining. No good. Berero sa rebound. Nagtaka. RD1. De Leon. 2 points De Leon. Binuhat ni De Leon ang bola. Repolyo driving. Palpal. Domdom. Palpal pa rin. Foul jersey number 5. Domdom 23 shooting for 2. And this free throw is brought to you by the following sponsor. Of course, Giannis Gometio. Available po yan ng Team Spicy and Team Original. Giannis Gometio. Mamili po kayo. Giannis Gometio. Domdom. Pasok. Basket made. Second shot. Jumper straight ni Domdom. Domdom. Second shot. Pasok pareho. 70-77. Pito lang ang kalamangan ng Giannis Gometio. Giannis Gometio leading by 7 points. Bereros against Repolyo. Mercader driving, binabantayan. De Leon. Traveling violation. Sinasabi nga, if you want to travel, come and explore with the world with us. Come to Abens Travels and Tours. We offer neat packages for your vacation needs. Abens Travels and Tours. Chill lang tayo mga kababayan. Chill lang.
Relax lang po kayo. Relax lang.
Chill lang.
Relax lang.
Okay, ano muna? Nag-meeting muna. Meeting. Pre, saldahan niya. Di mo ano si Terry, ah. Not ready ko na. Terry. O, ito na. Ano ang napagkano? Desisyonan ng hurado. Foul.
Okay, we go down by
Bereros called for the foul. Jersey number 2 called for the foul. Bereros for personal foul, warning for graduate, and this 13 foul. Giannis Gometio, inbounding po si Yagin. Yagin for the inbound. Yagin. Ibarra. Nako ng screen. Domdom. Lumipad. Wala. Domdom muli. And malalim. Foul para kay Campo. Shooting for 2.
This is your PSBQ Basketball League.
Okay, ito na.
Okay, ito na. Okay, balik muli tayo.
Ang sports manday para kay Coach Campo.
Mga pong
Paalala ng Coach Dino.
Dino, warning.
Ayan po.
Okay, Anspo free throws coming up.
Guys, ito po tayo sa mga na po sa si Coach na lang, si Coach Dino. Kasi Coach Campo na sa lugar.
Okay, Coach Dino, hindi mo naman thrown out si Coach Dino. Bereros shooting for the Anspo free throws. First shot, pasok.
Basketball girls. Basketball position. Position para sa guys.
Okay, the score right now is 70-78, 7 minutes 22 seconds for the fourth quarter action between Giannis Gumitio and Cardinals. Bereros versus Repolyo.
10 seconds to shoot.
Labas. Mercader, pwede may shot. Wala pa rin. Yagin. Repolyo. Lumipad. Dahil si Dumdum. Pambira yan. Para may pakpak ah. Naka-red bull yata siya. Hop! That's flash by Manina. Thrown out po. Take na po. Thrown out po si Dino at saka si Galay. 6 minutes 34 seconds remaining. At 72-78. 6 points lead lang po ang Giannis Gumitio. Eto na. Ilang takaw humingi ng bola. Ayun si De La Cruz. De La Cruz nakawala. And one play made. And one play made by De La Cruz. Courtesy po yan ng Bejon sa Parel. Yan. Diyan lang po yan sa Mansura area. Bejon sa Parel. Okay, good start. Okay, Bejon. Okay. Lantaka. Mercader. Rebound ni Mercader. Penalty shot. Pasok. 6 minutes, 8 seconds remaining. Ibarra pinapatayan si Mano. And now Bereros driving. That pass, palpal. Dumdum. Ibarra, Dumdum. Foul. Okay. Anspo foul committed. Mercader called for Anspo foul also. Dumdum shooting for the Anspo free throws. Dalawa po yan. Anspo free throws. Dumdum first shot. Pasok. 10 lang kalamangan. Second throw, jumpers ready.
73-83.
Second throw, jumpers ready. Dumdum. Pasok pareho. Plus.
plus ball possession.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 41 seconds.
5 minutes 41 seconds. Warning for penalty, Janos Gumitio, Ibarra for the inbound.
Ibarra pass to
To Repolyo.
Repolyo.
Dumdum.
Here's the ball. Foul number 5.
Foul number 5, De Leon. Penalty situation, Janos Gumitio. And this tweet is brought to you by the following sponsor, of course, Coach Mike Movement Qatar. Yan, Coach Mike Movement yan. Dumdum, per shot, pasok. And Dumdum for the second throw, jumpers ready. Dumdum. Pasok pareho. Matikin. Pasok. De La Cruz for 2. Siyam lang kalamangan yan. Siyam lang yan. Ibarra, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound de La Cruz. Batigin. Batigin. Nakawala si Batigin. Against Ibarra. Foul. Jersey number 21, Ibarra pushing foul. Cardinals go for the timeout. This is a PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar. Mga ipo ang manonood, sila masikat din. PSBQ Qatar. We're here live right now sa curling season International School in Doha. The score right now is 76-85. Lamang po ng siyam ang Janos Gumitio. Back to the ball game po tayo. Back to the ball game. Take note po, si Coach Dino is thrown out. And also si Galay thrown out game po. Batigin for the inbound. Inbound, Batigin. Bereros, humingi ng bola. Bereros, nakawal bola. Bereros, versus Dumdum. Bereros. Tres. 3-second violation. De Leon, 3 seconds violation. Dumdum. For the rebound. Dumdum. Repolyo. Okay. Yagin. Wala. Rebound de Bereros. Kataka. De La Cruz. Foul. Yagin. 3 free throws awarded. Courtesy of Bay Jones Health Spa. Yan, Bay Jones Spa. And also, siyempre, 3 Jones Barbershop. Yan, 3 Jones Barbershop. De La Cruz, first shot, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready.
76-86.
Ano po? Bay Jones Health Spa.
Second throw by Red.
Beauty Spa. Sige. Okay.
Ano sinasabi?
Ayun ba? May mga dumating kayo? Hop! Foul. Beauty Spa. Sige, Beauty Spa. Okay, Dumdum again. Shooting for 2. Tara. This free throw is brought to you by Plus International Trading. Yan. Domdom, first throw. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. 10 kalamangan ng Giannis Gumitio. 4 minutes remaining. Second throw, jumpers ready. Labas, rebound ni De Leon. Guerreros. Lifting violation. Traveling violation. Repolyo, pops up. Pasok ang bola. 8 kalamangan. 8 lang yan. 8. Lantaka. Driving. Lantaka. Foul. Take 2.
Foul number 10.
Foul number 10. Penalty situation.
Both teams meron din kayo.
This free throw is brought to you by Winax Apparel. Don't get out from my house without wearing it. Winax Apparel. Lantaka first try. Nope. Labas. Second throw. Jumpers ready.
Foul out for Samuel Anabal.
Kalas. Foul.
Foul number 23.
Penalty situation. Domdom for personal foul. Warning for graduate. And this free throw is brought to you by the following sponsor. Of course, JPX TV. Pereros. First shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Labas. Domdom, naka-rebound. No, it's De La Cruz. Pereros. Okay, patigin. Lantaka. Nawala bola. Nice shot by Ibarra. Check. Domdom. Timeout called by Giannis Gumitio. Sino sabing tapos ang laro? Mali. Mabalik sila. Para may puso ng Dr. Technically, champion pa rin. Champion ng Martins talaga. Kaya itong lingan to medyo interesado talaga mga kababayan. We have 2 defending champions. One is from Cardinals and also one is from DJ Giana. For sure, di rin papayag po ibang mga players po dyan like Legion's Barbershop and Giannis Gumitio. And also marami pa tayong mga team na kasama po dito like Max Acclamation, Spencer Kings, and Rising Knights. This is everybody's ball game at this point. Okay, Pereros. Pinabantayan. Double team na. Double team. Foul! Campo. Oh, for the foul. Jet Campo, warning for graduate also. De Leon shooting for 2. And this is brought to you by, of course, AC Kitchen. Pampagana po yan, na garlic flavor. Garlic sauce, AC Kitchen. Pumasok. 89-83. 6 ang kalamangan. De Leon, second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready. Labas. Campo for the rebound. Campo. 6 lang yan. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Repolyo. Sayang. Foul jersey number 5, De Leon. De Leon, graduate. Timeout, Cardinals ball game. Cardinals lead ball for the timeout. De Leon, graduate. Mamaya, magbibigyan po natin siya ng kanyang diploma, si De Leon. Graduate siya sa University ng SPQ. Justine, shout out sir. Shout out po sa iyo sir. And good morning, good morning. Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Repolyo shooting for 2. 83-89. 6 lang po yan. Repolyo first shot. Uy! Second throw, jumpers ready. Repolyo, second throw, jumpers ready. It's wala. Dom-dom, naka-rebound. Dom-dom. Traveling violation called. Sinasabi nga, if you want to travel the world with us. That's what we offer. Having shovels and tours. Mercader, 2 points. Ito. Ani mo lang ang lamangan. Hindi, 8. Technical foul on the bench. Technical foul. Bench ng Janus Gumaytuyo. Ibarra shooting for the technical free throw. Uy! Sayang. Kinakailangan sana yun. Last 2 minutes. Repolyo. Dom-dom. Malakas. Foul number 20, Greg De La Cruz. Tinawagan ng foul. Yagin. Pinasok muna si Yagin. Banawag. Labas muna si Banawag. Dom-dom, shooting for 2. First shot ni Dom-dom. 1 minute 14 seconds remaining. Labas. Maybe pa. Second throw, jumpers ready. Papagod na. Okay, pasok. Nothing but net. 7. Bereros. Lantaka lang wala. Binangkot pa. Wala. Lantaka, wala rin. Bereros. 2 points. Ibarra 2 points.
Ibarra called for a foul. 44 seconds remaining. 86-93. Mampu ng pito ang Giannis Gumedio. Lantaka, 2 free throws coming up. Courtesy po yan ng PSBQ Basketball League. First shot is made, pasok. And also, of course, wag natin kalimutan, katasamanin sa sports supervisor, Zira Nyada. Lantaka, second throw, pasok! Siyam ang kalamangan. Yagin. Domdom, pops up for 3. Wala.
Relax lang tayo.
Campo.
Ball touch number 4.
Jersey number 4, Campo. Graduate, Campo. Pereros, first shot. Nope. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second throw, Gabriels. Passing grab. Tutok, Criminal.
Laging for 3, pasok. And maybe that's it. Okay, that's it. Congratulations. Congratulations for winning the game. Team Giannis Gumedio final score is 89-96. This is your PSBQ Basketball League, ang liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. Maging po yung mga manupunan mga ibang sikat din po. And we'll please be back on Tuesday night again at 10 p.m. onwards on the Pearly Season International School in Doha. Maraming salamat po and see you again.